First rates will just start coming up on your screen now, and the first rates on your screen any second. It's a Monday morning. 82 points higher for the Nifty. Actually, we'll start the counter now because we are less than 200 points away from an all-time high on the Nifty. Less than 200 points all-time on the Nifty. Well, that means we'll have to order the bells, the whistles, and hopefully the cake very soon. But markets are just moving in the right direction in terms of what we were anticipating and what we were expecting. Look at the breadth. Hello. For one stock which is going down, 15 stocks are going higher, and this is one of the most amazing and one of the most powerful market breadths I've seen in a long time. Everyone is on the same side of the boat. Nobody wants to sell. There are no sellers. FIs are buying, DIs are buying, HNI is buying. So whether it is FOMO or late realization or perhaps desperation, everything is at play. When you see a breadth like this, you would say, touch wood, what a great Monday morning it's been so far.
Yeah, absolutely. A lot of other stocks which are in focus as well. Hero MotoCorp, they've launched that new 100cc motorbike HF Deluxe at a price level of 66,000 thereabouts or so. So that's one stock in focus. Tata Motors, they're looking at setting up a 20 gigawatt lithium ion cell manufacturing unit in Gujarat with a capex of a sizable $1.6 billion. 539 at Tata Motors as we speak right now this morning. There's also Bharat Forge. We just highlighted the May North America Class A truck orders have come in higher for month-on-month units, and Bharat Forge has started off at that 800 plus level right now in trade. Positive news flow for Lupin, for Biocon as well. Lupin has launched an HIV drug with a market size as large as $308 million. And Biocon, which has got no observations issued by the US FDA for their Bangalore oral solid dosage plant. So that's another stock which is in focus. Minda Corp too, the board has approved fundraising of about 600 crore rupees. Pre-call, we highlighted this one as well. The promoters have acquired a 1.38% stake in the company via open market. That's another stock which we're highlighting this morning. And then ONGC and Oil India as well. The fact that Brent has now neared that $77 to a barrel mark now that the Saudi has cut the crude output. These are also stocks which are seeing some amount of buoyancy this morning as we speak right now. AU Small Finance Bank, considering Citi has downgraded the stock now to a neutral from the earlier buy. That stock starts off down by about 1%. And there's Ipca Laboratories as well, wherein the Income Tax Department has carried out a survey proceedings at the company's offices. That's another stock which is in focus. This Brigade as well. Housing sales are looking to jump about 15 to 20% in FY24. That's what the company has highlighted. And then Westlife as well, wherein the outlook on the cost front is now better compared to the preceding quarters. That's the takeaway from their management meet. And Indigo Paints as well, which expects to grow faster than the industry in FY24. That is what their management meet has indicated. That stock also starts off higher by about 1.5%. But not bad at all, aligning ourselves with the SGX Nifty. It's a 0.5% up in the green start, 18,600 plus levels on the Nifty as we speak right now, 18,635 on the futures. But Kunal, any interesting stocks to trade?
Well, I would look out for PFC. I think PFC, REC both are looking very interesting and charged up. I think for the first time, these stocks are challenging their multi-year highs for themselves. So it looks interesting. The momentum's come back into the space. So PFC is the stock which I would look to buy.
All right, let's find out what Naresh is picking out for the day. Naresh?
So that would be a buy on L&T. The stock is setting up for a move again. So like the stock is up 0.5%, so a good entry point right now. Stop us at 2200, looking at a target price of 2500 here.